Stop! You're gonna get shot! Stop! You grab! Stop! Roll on your stomach! Roll on your stomach! Come on, Tased!
What you're about to see is one of the most bizarre pharmacy calls Orlando police have responded to in recent memory. On October 20th, Orlando officers were dispatched to a CVS after employees quietly called it in. Inside, a 23-year-old suspect handed staff a handwritten note, claiming he was armed and threatening to shoot the closest person if they didn't comply. The suspects list was Viagra, oxycodone, and Xanax.
He's right here. On the ground! On the ground! Hey, let me see your hands! Stop! We're late on police! Let me see your hands! Stop! Stop! You're gonna get shot! Stop! You grab! Stop! Roll on your stomach! Roll on your stomach! Come on, Tased! Stop tasing! Put your hands behind your back.
I got you. I got you.
All right.
You don't gotta take
I got handcuffs. Got it?
I got you. Please don't take it.
He has not been patted down. Nope. He has not been patted down. Nope.
You don't gotta take
it. Hey, keep going.
Hey!
Keep going.
No.
Get out of the road.
I can't breathe. Please let me catch my breath. Hey, I don't have any weapons. I was forced to do this.
Roll him on the other side. We got one secure just west of the CVS. I don't have anything.
I'm gonna go make contact with
check those
CVS,
bags.
make sure everything's
I was
good.
forced to do this. Everything's in there.
Alright, we're actually gonna be west of Los Amelia, Pawn and Joy.
Damn, bro. Just take the shit out of me, bro.
Well, don't run, bro.
Nah, I feel it. It was either this or a bullet, so I'll take the taser.
You're next to Edmund Charter Lane.
Can we get a marked car?
Yeah, this is a cage right here.
Alright, everybody's 10-4 at CVS. You guys
Stand
are
up, put him in
close.
the car. Oh, you want to sit him in? Stand up.
Get him in the car.
I can feel like I'm lightheaded.
The signal 0 was only in flat. They don't know if you actually had one.
Yeah, you've got a note out here. This is still a robbery.
Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You said I'm cooperating with you. I got you.
Running is not cooperating.
I appreciate your cooperating.
Because either I was getting a bullet or I could face out, and that's
Just for everybody's sake, you didn't drop anything, right?
No. Shit.
Here, sit down so you don't pass out.
Thanks.
Sit down right here. You have ID? Sit down.
Not on me, no, sir.
You have a Florida ID?
Your legs all the way up, cross your ankles.
You have a Florida ID?
I do, but it's not on me. I don't think. Yeah, no, if it wasn't in my pocket, I know it's got to
So he gave this to you?
He gave this to her, and then she just hit him.
Can I come talk to you real quick?
Just the people that were involved. She was the one that made contact with him.
India 36. Okay, so tell me what happened.
Yeah, he came. I was in for the pickup service, and he come. He tell me. He give me the paper. He tell me this is the prescription. This is the paper written with the. I tell him this is not a prescription. Is it the paper written with the hand? So no, this is a prescription. I didn't read it. I asked, what is your birthday last time and the first
So
name?
you didn't read this at all?
No, the first, yeah. I say, no, I give you the paper, you have to read it. I open the paper, I read it. I say, this is why I read it. If you don't give me what he wants, he's gonna shoot anyone close to him.
At any point do you saw a weapon on him?
No.
No weapon?
His hand all the time in his
pocket?
In his pocket, he has a mask and the hoodie.
Okay.
Yes, and
Where is this note?
his note is with the pharmacist.
Okay,
and
perfect.
they took the note. I go back to the pharmacist. I tell her there is what's happened. He give me and the paper with her.
I remember what I gave him if I look at it.
We need that note for evidence.
I got it.
Hey, Sarge, so no zero was seen He provided a note saying, "Hey, this is an armed robbery, yada yada yada," but there was no gun seen at all. Like if it was, yes. Yes. The note, I have it. They're gonna get it from me right now, so I'm gonna put that in evidence. So she was the only one that saw him interact with him.
And the pharmacist.
The pharmacist.
She's back here, but she's with the needle with somebody else right here.
Okay. Because I'd rather have them both do show up.
Are we on the show up form?
Yeah, that's what I was filling out right now.
Okay.
So
finish that with her.
that, and then we're gonna
move
need
on
her
to
as
the
well.
next person for the
I want
form.
both of them.
Like literally, the only thing I saw is that he literally he was wearing like a surgical mask, hoodie, and a cap, and a tattoo on.
But you didn't talk to him or anything like that. You just saw that was him, and then afterwards we're told about it.
As the investigation concluded, the suspect was taken into custody without further incident. According to public arrest records, he now faces multiple felony charges related to robbery and drug possession. Authorities recovered the stolen medications along with the handwritten demand note used during the incident. No injuries were reported, and the case has been forwarded to the state attorney's office for formal prosecution. This footage serves as a reminder of the unpredictable situations officers encounter and the importance of staying alert in high-risk calls. All individuals shown are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is shared for educational and documentary purposes only.